Okay, so we're starting a second book, jumping to chapter 5. Book's called JavaScript for Kids for Dummies. Um, chapter 5 is dealing with JavaScript for HTML. JavaScript gives web pages the ability to change dynamically in response to user input. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a fancy way of saying HTML is a language that's used to create links, hypertext. HTML is so much more than just simply a language for creating links, though. HTML forms a skeleton that detects pictures and JavaScript in web pages attaches to. Markup languages such as HTML were invented in order to give documents such as letters, books, or essays structure that a computer can understand and do things with. Using HTML is all about the tags. Tags in HTML give you information about the content of the web page. Tags are made of keywords inside angle brackets, beginning and end, and then come two basic types, the beginning tag and the ending tag. Here's an example of a beginning tag. It's just a simple angle bracket, P, well, less than, and then P, and then greater than P. P tag is how you mark up text in a document as a paragraph. Most beginning tags also have a matching ending tag. The only difference between the beginning tag and ending tag is that the ending tag has a forward slash before the name of the tag. For example, here is the ending tag for P. So it's less than forward slash P greater than. Adding elements, attributes to elements. HTML attributes are a way to give web browsers more information about elements. Attributes are added to elements using the what's called name their value. Name a value pair. For example, the image element uses attributes to tell what image should be displayed and what should be displayed instead of the image if the file isn't found. So in this case, we've got an image element which sources pictures in JPEG, or usually you'd have a file path here. If you can't find it, the picture is not there, the alternative would be here's a picture of me. The ID attribute uniquely identifies a single element in your document. Changing HTML with JavaScript. By using JavaScript, you can change any part of the HTML document in response to input for the person browsing the page. Fetching elements with getElementById. GetElementById is probably the easiest and most commonly used ways for JavaScript programmers to work directly with HTML. Its purpose is to locate an individual element in the document so that you can change it, delete it, or add something to it. The way to use it is document getElementById and the ID of the HTML element that you're about to use. Getting what's inside an element within HTML. You can select a paragraph and then change the value of the inner HTML with the following command. Document getElementById, in this case my paragraph, inner HTML, and then your new text. This is your italic paragraph. So let's look at that. Here's the code, the HTML page for the code. I'm not going to run through everything, I'm just going to show you what it does. So here, there you can see it. So what we do, got an element as button, change your list, into new first thing, I'm going to say bike, okay, food, okay, and cola. These are simple examples. And then my list has changed. So you can see that embedded in the HTML, we got JavaScript and the JavaScript is manipulating the HTML. And that's about it for chapter